How to change region in Xbox PC. So if you want to change your region in your Xbox PC, then first you just need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'll be here with Chrome browser. Once you're here on the browser, what you need to do is you just need to go for the search and search for Xbox. Once you've searched, go for the first, which is www.xbox.com, and it will take you to the website. And now you need to go for sign in, which is on the upper right, and make sure to sign into your account. So you have already signed into my account. Go for the profile, and here you need to go for my Microsoft profile. And once you're here on the left, you will have a bunch of options. Go for your info. Under your info, you just need to scroll down, and under your profile info you will have your country or your region, right? So simply click on that option. Once you click on it, you just need to enter your password of your Microsoft account and then go for sign in. And once you've signed in, now you need to go for country or region, and then you can change your country or region. So enter another country, like for example Norway, and go for save. And once you go for save, your country or region will be saved. So that's how you can change your country or region on your Xbox PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.